Hello and welcome to the Dream Sounds Moonpawg Vault Visual Jam. Quite a while ago we had the Moonpawg Vault Music Jam where people were tasked with raiding the vault of Moonpawg, otherwise known as Trevron, and remixing their music in any way they liked. We had all of these amazing submissions here, all wonderful pieces of music, and this past week the visual artists of Dreams have been given an opportunity to use some of this music in all sorts of creations to be showcased here tonight as part of this visual jam. We've received these here and I'm super excited to dive into them. The first submission of the evening comes from Quizam and it's called Nuclear Drop. They say that they never quite had the time to finish this, so all of the hazards and the cool scenery are invisible. The camera angles are deceptive, you're going down the whole time. Don't miss at the end, there are no checkpoints. Also, there might be a ghost. I've not played this before, it's going to be super interesting. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. It's another ball game. I love Quizam's ball games. Quizam is, like, honestly, I think Quizam's a marvellous level designer in Dreams. The way that they throw all of these levels together in such a short period of time. If we hit this, we probably lose time, right? Like one of their previous ones. I don't know if we did or not, but I think we will come the end. I'm gonna shut up and let the music play, but I love Quizam stuff right now. Right, let's go this way. I don't know where we're going, to be honest, actually. I thought I did, but I don't know. Oh, here we go. Let's get that sack boy. I know I missed one, but let's face it, this isn't a speedrun. We didn't even know where we were going for a moment there. Just after I was talking about level design as well. But Quizam is amazing. I love it. Oh, flip, I thought that was a shortcut. Maybe it is. Oh, it is. Oh, there's a speedrun shortcut, by the way, for when you are going for the top scores. I know I'm missing a bunch of sack boys though. You want to get all the sack boys if you're going for a top score. I bet there's more shortcuts by just jumping off the side and stuff. Like, as always, this is going to be a fun sort of speedrunner. The scoreboards are going to heat up. Oh! Whew. Yeah. 3 sack boys hit, so we lost 9 seconds off our time, which is good. And that noise I made there was because for a second I thought that I'd actually missed the exit. I thought I'd maybe jumped over it or something, and I was like, oh no, there's no checkpoints. And I got to the end and I missed the exit. That is marvellous. I think that's really fun. It's really cool. I'm looking forward to when it's publicly released, and I'm looking forward to seeing the scoreboards and stuff. I think there's a lot of potential there for scoreboard shenanigans. Great job, Quizam, and great stuff using the music of Symphonics, which is marvellous music from the jam. We now move on to something really exciting. This is actually a video jam debut, and it's from Xcarrion, who is a dreamer that, I'll be honest, I wasn't even necessarily familiar with. The amazing thing about Dreams is that you're always discovering new amazing people all the time. This is called Lonely Nights, and it uses music from Black Cat Tracks and from Bath. Xcarrion, thank you for entering the jam. I'm excited to check it out. Let's go. Yeah, this is amazing. This really does look amazing. This is an incredible, like, dreams to sort of study or to relax to scene using the music. I'm pressing square to turn hair on or off, basically. Do we go long haired or not? Let's go long hair.
You're a fly on the wall, me an annihilator. I'll strike you with the force of the mouths of alligators. Not alligating nothing, I'll quickly pull your card and torch it, so stop the frontin'. I'll break your itty bitty knees, burn you like I burn my trees. Stew you in a cup of tea, you pour some out like Hennessy. Cut you up like cocaine, lethal dosage to the brain. I'm nastier than acid passing through you like a freight train.
If you saw me, probably think, well, I'm telling you to see me and see when I fly. If you saw me, probably think, well, I'm telling you to see me and see when. If you saw me, probably think, well, I'm telling you to see me. If you saw me, probably think, well, I'm telling you to see me and see when. Well, telling you to see me. If you saw me, probably think, well, I'm telling you to see me. I'm a villainous. I'm suffering from villainous. I'm a villain illness. Too much of realness. And if you feel me, I'm a villain too much. Suffering from, I'm a feel you with badness. My soul's what it costs. Badness, amazing, kiss it, chaotic, illuminati, profit. You think you got power? I'll put your knife in your socket. Made a deal with the boss.
Amazing. So this scene puts together 3 different tracks, which is awesome. And you can like change the headphones, and it also changes like the actual sound as well, which is something I didn't look, because I did notice the sound was different. Look, yeah, we just listened to the whole thing with the headphones off, but it made sense, and it was a cool showcase. Kind of stupid though as well. From me. But I hadn't checked it out before. That's really cool, the effect, like the way it changes. That is amazing, and the scene is put together so well, from the character to the background to these things down here, which I find both cute and terrifying. Like, I'm not sure if they're like a dog or a Sackboy plushie or imp plushie. Like, I don't know, they're just really cool. And X-Carrion, thank you for entering the jam. It's an amazing debut, really incredible sculpting work, an incredible scene setting, and a great showcase of the music. We now move on to Port Azimuth, Super GP from Tricobalt. This is a really awesome and interesting entry to the jam, as it uses music from both Impotent Mink and Classic Pro 2 in a remix of the Super GP kit from Ninwana, which is something I've been plugging a lot lately, and it's very easy to use. I love to see it, and it creates gameplay that lots of people enjoy, and that I will happily like see lots more of in Dreams as well. It's really cool. Let's play through this. This actually creates a unique environment for the racing as well. It doesn't just use like elements from the kit. Tricobalt uses their own, and you can see currently I am #1 in the world. I don't expect that to last forever, but I also don't expect to do very well just now. Let's just give it a go. Okay, so here we go. Let's do it. So the scoreboard is for fastest lap time, and really only the second lap is going to get you that, right? So the first lap's always a warm-up. The music fits it so perfectly, right? And does anyone else, oh flip, yeah we messed up, but does anyone else get like F-Zero type vibes from this? This sort of futuristic fast racing? I don't know. It's amazing how the environment switches things up so much, because the car is still like a fairly standard Super GP car, but the fact that we're in this sci-fi environment just makes it feel sci-fi, and it does work. Yeah, I mean, definitely not a new vest or anything, but, you know, we couldn't perform under the pressure. But that's fine, we've still got top on the scoreboard for now. I do implore people to come in and knock it off though. And another, like, super cool, like, interesting thing that I never pointed out there is that it does feature a unique car, also made by Tricobalt, and it's great to see, like, the AI racer Bunny taking part in the race as well. It's a shame they came 5th, but they've got it next time, I'm sure. Like, that's amazing, Tricobalt. Thank you for entering the jam. It's really cool, and it's a great, like, addition to the whole Super GP oeuvre, as well as a fantastic showcase of the music. It's marvellous. Thank you for entering the jam. Really cool. Now we move on to a submission from Roy Meccano. This is still work in progress, and but that's cool. It's a remix of, or rather it uses the song Itty Bitty Knees. They say they still need to animate the background puppets and do some final touches. But Roy Meccano, this is super exciting. Thank you for entering the jam. It's really cool. If you don't know Roy Meccano, they make all sorts of amazing stuff. And yeah, always excited, always cool, always an honour. Yeah, let's check this out. Let's go. I've not seen this before.
If you saw me, you'd probably think that I wasn't a threat. Well, I'm telling you to see me and see when I flex. While I reckon any respect that you think you'll get, I quickly pull the Swiffer and obliterate your dust specks. You're a fly on the wall, me an annihilator. I'll strike you with the force of the mouse of alligators. Not alligating nothing, I'll quickly pull your card and torch it, so stop the frontin'. I'll break your itty bitty knees. I'll break your itty bitty knees. I'll break your itty bitty knees. Burn you like I burn my trees. Stew you in a cup of tea. You pour some out like Hennessy. Cut you up like cocaine. Lethal dosage to the brain. I'm nastier than acid passing through you like a freight train. I'll break your itty bitty knees. I'll break your itty bitty knees. I'm a villainous illness, suffering from too much surrealness. And if you're feeling too threatened, it's cause I just killed this mystical lyrical madness. My words are all it takes because they kill you with badness. A masochistic, chaotic, illuminati prophet. You think you got power, I'll stick a knife in your socket. My soul's what it cost, made a deal with the most. Y'all can call me hot ones, cause I'm hot sauce. I'll break your itty bitty knees. 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 I'll break your itty bitty knees.
That is amazing. That is still work in progress, but from what I can see, it's already magnificent. And yeah, look, with, like, you know, more animated background puppets and final touches, that's just going to be, like, even better as well. That is magnificent, Roy. It was really fun, like, really cool. I can see it being really popular as well. It's incredible. Great job. Yeah, thank you for entering the jam. That's marvellous. And now for what I believe is our final submission of the evening, we have Forever Echo with The Saucy Ode to Dream Sounds, the music video. because Dream Sounds is home to so many wonderful dreamers. And oh, man, making me blush here. Thank you. But the songs from Moonpawg, and yeah, Forever Echo. Thank you for entering the jam. And let's check this out. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting AllStar!
Hello. Nice to meet you. Good morning. So. Yeah, that's how it ends.
Whoa, what an amazing visual tribute and audio tribute from yeah, that's incredible. Forever Echo, thank you for entering the jam. It's really cool. It's been an awesome jam, and everyone done an absolutely incredible job there. Amazing. Every entry is magnificent, and thank you everyone. Wonderful selection of music here as well. Just because the jam is ended doesn't mean that people can't still use this music and things. It's always going to be there. These songs are for life, not just for tonight or for jams. Amazing job everyone, these dreams are also for life. I'm going to be playing a bunch of them. I want to beat my time on this, even though it's already a good time. And I want to hang out more with the drum and bass girl. Goodbye lo-fi girl, drum and bass girl is here to stay. That's magnificent. Yeah, great showcase, great debut as well. And yeah, this is absolute fire. And this is a lot of fun. And I just realised I've accidentally skipped this, by the way. So we're gonna play this now. I just realised we've not played this. That was an accident. That wasn't on purpose. So we're gonna play this now. This is a submission from Brandon Boy. It's music by Brandon and Alan Maniac, which was made for the Moonpawg Jam. And yeah, sorry, I somehow skipped it, by the way. That was a genuine accident. Here we go, Brandon. Thank you for entering the jam. Let's go.
Rapping, what you gonna do about it? I'm trapping. Trevor made this song, but it sounded wrong. Look at me, mom, I added it, and that's not all. I'll say it for free. You won't disagree. You makes the queen bee in boat hole entanglement. It's not for me. Why you lying to me about your boat? You told me bottle is a water bottle. Yeah, that's how it ends. Trevor, I hope your lesson is learned. Yeah, Mink, shout out to you for the Vault Jam and the love that you give us. Shout out to the Don't Big Time Big Love Monday crew all time. Give it up for the Vault House. Here we go. Trevor, why you lying to me about your bottle? You told me bottle is a water bottle. Rapping, what you gonna do about it? I'm trapping. Trevor made this song, but it sounded wrong. Look at me, mom, I added it. And that's not all, I'll say it for free. You won't disagree, you minx the queen bee in boat hole entanglement. It's not for me. Trevor, why you lying to me about your boat?
Okay, now, I don't know, maybe it was gonna end in about 30 seconds or so, right? Okay, I don't know. But also maybe it was looping, I don't know. I would have preferred it if it never had, if you never added my vocals, probably. I mean, I was getting into the vibe, I was digging it, right? And then I heard myself and nah, like, I didn't like, I feel like it would have been better without them. But hey, Brandon, great job. Thank you for entering the jam. Great job, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for entering the jam. It's been a cool time. Now, we must find out what the new jam is going to be. Let's go.